Hey guys, today's the 28th. It's a Tuesday. And I think it's nearly 4 o'clock. My grandpa and I are going by boat to our island, and my mum, my grandma, my brother and my sister, they're going to come there by car. And then I think I'm going to come back here by car, and my brother and sister are going to come by boat or something like that. Yeah. Because they have gone to visit one of my mum's relatives. And I plaited my hair last night. Yep. I've done really nothing today. Yesterday I watched Inside Out, then I watched Captain America, then I watched Age of Ultron, then this morning I've watched, oh I forgot my other earrings, oh well. Then this morning I've watched Iron Man 2 and then a part of the Avengers. And I think I'm going to finish the Avengers like when I go to sleep tonight. Totally not a problem, but yeah. So I'm going to go on a boat ride. And I don't know when my camera's going to run out of memory, so that's going to be really annoying. It just suddenly does. Is that a crack? Oh no, please tell me that's not a crack. I think there's a crack in this. It's not on the screen, it's not in the lens, but it's on the side of the lens. Oh my gosh, I've broken my camera. I've had it for nearly 2 years, but still. There's a bee. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, today it's the... Hi. No, stay over there. Today it's the 29th and it's a Wednesday, and tomorrow really early in the morning we are leaving my cottage, so yeah. And I think it's around 1 o'clock, give or take a few minutes. Might be 5 past, not sure. But a couple of days ago actually, I think it was almost a week ago, I think it was the first full day we had here, I actually promised I'd show you this one area of our cottage. And I haven't done it yet, but I'm there now. Yeah.
I got curly hair.
No one cares. But yes.
But yeah.
Jenny, you're not allowed to throw that in the water. You should. I think I might go rowing on the boat. Because I really want to. Yeah.
Yeah, go on the boat to Finland. No, wait, we're not. Oh yeah, to another place.
We are in Finland. Oh, God.
Yeah.
There's so much green moss on these rocks, which is one way of telling that I haven't been here, because whenever I go swimming here, I take a brush and I brush off all the moss. So I haven't been swimming here, so you can tell. Yeah. But I'll talk to you guys later.
Now they are.
Mhm.
Because I can see the light.
Now I am. Egg!
Kato nyt kuinka... Ei näis nyt kova, mä siis alat. Kato kuinka kova ne sen
Bobblehead.
Pikku kuppa.
And off they go.
Now we've got Tilla's camera. Oh, for sale. Din 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 din. Woo!
Larry's dead. Let's tickle him. He's alive.
I passed out.
if someone actually said that. And they knew English.
Let's go quick, that boy's dead. Let's check the body. Let's take the camera. Oh my god, it's recording. Oh my god, it's his little sister. She killed him. She killed him. Did you know that was all recording? It's still recording.
I do know that it's still recording.
Let's throw Hilla's camera. Good catch.